same, but you're wearing different now.
It's because you don't ever wash and change your clothing.
Should I go change?
No.
Awesome.
And take one. Movie 2, take 1.
Hey, it's Justin and Bethany, and we're still in St. George. Well, we were.
We're not in St. George. We haven't been in St. George for a year. It's not been a year. It's been like 6 months, right?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, half a year.
Okay, so this is the second video in a series of 2.
So, we like to go to Red Cliffs. It is on the way to St. George.
We got up really early and we went there and it was pretty dead.
Yeah, we went early because it was so hot while we were there.
They are not alive. They are tired. No, I'm not tired.
No?
I've seen a bunch of lizards.
Oh, have you? I see one. Oh my gosh, Mom. See his eyes and his ears and his nose. He's laying down.
This was August?
Yeah, it was August.
So it was really hot, and it also meant that it was dry. No water. Normally Red Cliffs, when we go in the spring, and so the slot canyon that we hike up is full of water, and there's do you have footage of like the rope area? Okay.
Yeah. So you have to climb, so there's a rope that is dangling down, and then you have to go over an area around this rock.
There's a waterfall.
There's
a waterfall, and you have to hike around the wall instead of through the channel.
So yeah, and Justin had to help each of us make sure that we got to the other side because all us girls
are afraid of heights.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that, but
yeah.
It was completely dry, no water except for this little cesspool.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, what was it? Because you had to get in it.
I did.
Was it up to your knee?
No.
Was it further, like thigh? A little further.
A little dangerous zone right there. You know that moment where you get like right to that moment, and it's like, oh, the water's so cold. Oh, it's really cold because you hit that level. That was the level that the water was at, and it was disgusting.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree.
I do not have good luck with sunglasses.
No.
Ever. I lose them all the time.
Oh my gosh.
And I had a brand new pair of Costas. And I was helping Olivia get
Around
up to the top of
yeah.
the waterfall. And Olivia swung her elbow or something, and
They were just like hooked on the back on your backpack.
They were hooked on my backpack. And,
oh, right here.
And I moved somehow and hit them, and they landed and then slid down and fell into the cesspool of crap. And Bethany was so mad at me. She was so mad.
Was that your glasses?
Yeah.
There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down.
So I climbed in this thing. It was full of frogs. It was full of mosquitoes. And it was full of dead bats. I got them, and Bethany got some amazing footage of they're just frogs.
Baby
everywhere.
frogs, they're so teeny. They're so teeny. They're so cute.
They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
So the nice part about there being no water was we have always been able to hike maybe a 1/8 of a mile past the top of the waterfall.
Yeah.
And then the channel just gets really narrow and the water is really deep. This year, there was no water.
It was dry.
So we
Bone
were
dry.
able to hike all the way through this slot canyon until we got to another waterfall.
That we have ever been on this trail, because normally this has water, so you can see where there's white and the red on the rock, and this is how far the water normally is. Yeah, just
so then we put the drone up to see what was up there.
Yeah.
And that was cool, but the slot canyon was it didn't go straight up, the walls didn't go straight up and down, they went like this. So taking the drone off and having it go like this and then take off and go out of sight was kind of scary.
Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They say no to sleepless night. Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sunrise, when the sun.
It was awesome. It's beautiful. It is that red rock everywhere.
Lots of lizards.
Yeah, I think we got, I think I got some lizards. I got a bunny. That was, do you remember seeing the bunny? Olivia and her morning exercises. Or is that her almost falling?
There he is.
This is my best side. Oh, I'm gonna run away now.
We ran into a lot of fun people there too. We probably don't have footage of any of them, but...
No, I try not to take footage
Well,
of
I know, but there was that...
people.
There was one family that had... Remember they were hiking with 2 little kids?
Uh-huh.
And they were watching Abby and Livy, and we kind of scrambled up a wall that you weren't supposed to...
Oh.
That isn't part of the trail, and the kids were just...
They were...
I want to do that.
Yeah, they were little kids. Anyway,
You don't
Red
have footage
Cliffs.
of me in the water, do you?
I think you requested me to not video you.
Yeah, I was kind of in my underwear.
You can just visualize it
Don't.
yourself.
Perverts.
You're amazing.
I felt like it worked pretty well. Catch me!
So that was hiking in Red Cliffs. I hope you enjoyed it.
Yes, please like, comment,
How do you do
share, and subscribe. You just click the thumbs up. Go, if you're on your phone, scroll all the way to the bottom and you can make a comment. If you're on the computer, it'll just be right there.
Sounds so easy. Why don't people do that?
So easy. And the subscribe, you just have to click on the subscribe. And if you want to know that we're putting out a video every week on Friday, you can hit the bell and it'll say, hey, Justin and Bethany's video is up. Oh, next week.
No.
Yes. Yes.
No. Don't promise anything.
Okay, our giveaway is coming soon.